what's good with y'all? What's good? We tuning in for another video. On the move today. Gonna pull up on Cuzzo, man. I ain't been over Cuzzo house in a little minute. We talk all the time, but I ain't been over there, and I ain't been, like I said, I ain't been in my hometown, man, cause I just been busy. That one ain't been by the shop and none of that. But I'm gonna pull up on Cuzzo, man. He needs some help filming a video that I know y'all about to like on his channel. So we about to go do some savagery and get that going for his channel. Hit the track tonight, man. Got a big race, big grudge race, shut up and race Friday night. Supposed to be Saturday too, but it probably gonna get canceled. My car meet, man, probably gonna have to cancel the car meet. I am canceling car meet cause the rain, the percentage went up to 70%, man. And they're saying it's gonna rain all day long. If it was gonna be a break in the rain, then you know I would have moved forward to it. And I hate it cause, man, there's a lot of more different people gonna come out, man. I'm looking forward to meeting everybody. But I will have it reschedule it this year though. I'm gonna reschedule it this year, man. I might push it back to the first weekend of November or something like that, man. We gonna have it. But I probably won't have Dolo out there, cause I was literally saving, waiting to take the motor out just because of the car meet. So Dolo probably won't be there. I should have had a Camaro there, but Dolo big meets, they won't be at the next car meet. Cause I'm taking the engine out next week. Cause I gotta get it to where it gotta go to. Cause they about to be a quick turnaround on that engine. Then I'm just gonna sit in the garage or something. You know, I'm used for something. When DJ get my transmission, I might find the body or something, I don't know. But yeah, that's it. About to get on the move, man. Then I'm probably gonna stop by Lawless, see if Jesse was able to get started on the Camaro. Or we just gonna see what the plans is and all that. And if it's something over there that I can film, I get that for y'all, show y'all how you get down. And yeah, that's it. So I'm about to hit the road. Next time y'all see, we'll be over at Cuzzo house. Alright. Y'all see it? Race car, yeah, that's him. Look at them. Boy, what are those, boy? What are those, boy? Y'all see he got those. He about to do some savage stuff to this bad boy today. Look, y'all, in Pro Mod engine. Look at this Pro Mod, y'all. Yeah, change the cubic inches, y'all.
It ain't too special.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, but it got that big block in there.
Yeah, it's a big block. Hey, what size you think it is?
Shit, that's a 350.
Nah, it's bigger than that.
Nah, it's 350 though.
No, it's bigger.
400.
It's bigger than that.
Well, 450.
It's bigger than that. He don't want to tell nobody, man. Tell these people what size your engine is, man.
No, man.
Tell these people the real size.
We've been working on it for a while, too. Every time I take off walking, I see him on it, messing with it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man. I get it right, man. Well, my name's Emery, man. Many time I come by here and holler at you, man. Emery, man.
Good to meet you. Good to meet you.
I don't be doing nothing. I retired about a damn year ago. Yeah. I don't do nothing. I need to find me a damn hobby.
Oh, yeah.
Now they doing nothing but walk around the block.
Yeah. Exercise, though. They good, though.
Oh, yeah, man. Shit, I ain't no spring chicken no more. I gotta get that every chance I get.
I know that.
How old you think I am?
43.
6. That'll be 61.
Real?
19th of December.
Hey, don't shake your hand. You look good, really. You look good for your age, for real. Yeah. Most definitely.
Yeah, everybody I ask, they think I'm in my 40s or something.
Yeah, you look like it.
Kids damn near 40. Yeah,
man.
Yeah, I'm heading towards 61. Wide open.
Hope we still be walking when we get that age, for
well,
real.
You know, I used to ask my old uncles that when I was young. Boy, y'all done got old. How you get old? You should keep on living. That's all you got to do.
Real.
Keep on living and have love and respect for your fellow man and people. Don't fool with bullshitting there people because they drag you right on down with it, you know. Yep. Mind your own business and you'll get there. Cause that's all it takes, the love and understanding. Everything ain't about war. You know, you running. I never ran with nobody that had a negative attitude or want to go do something that wasn't right. Yeah. You know, I always been a God-fearing man. You know, I had a lot of friends. You know, and I smoked the crack for 35 years.
Yeah. Right.
Never took nothing from nobody, never broke in nobody's house, always worked. I figured if I wouldn't work and make no money, I couldn't get high. Yeah. So if I go do some dumb shit, I go to jail, I can't get high. Yeah.
Right.
And I had a plan to how long I was gonna smoke. and when I was gonna quit, and it was done with. And that's what I done, you know. I stayed. I said, by the time I get back close to 50 years old, I'm quitting. I'm turning them away. Because, you know, I was doing it for the enjoyment. Because I liked it the damn high.
Right.
You know, I didn't do it because people that get on drugs and go rob, steal, and do all that shit, it was criminals in the first place. A lot of drugs, I got on them drugs. Right. Nah, motherfucker, you was a criminal in the first place. But I'm a true example. You know, I got a lot of some that went to prison behind that shit. I got paid, got my shit, went home. Buy me a bottle of liquor, 12-pack of beer, half a gallon of liquor. When I ain't got no more dope, I drank.
Right.
Stayed my ass in the house. You know, you go out there and start hanging around in the street doing shit. Then when you get broke, you thinking about somebody else that got something that you can make some money off of or get some money from. Then you go doing dumb shit.
Yeah.
You know, I got a baby brother that got out of prison for doing 10 years about a month ago. And that was his MO. He was smoking, caught himself trying to smoke and sell out of the hotels and shit. But you can't do that, boy. If you're going to get high and go home. Big bro, I got it. That's okay. Won't listen to reason. That been back and forth to jail his whole life. He just turned 48.
Yeah.
Few weeks ago. Yeah. And out of them 48 years, he been in and out of prison 20 of them.
Alright, y'all, he about to crank this thing up. This race car, y'all. Crank this race car up.
Hey, you small enough?
Huh? Yeah. Nah. It got too much in it now.
You got a class with the T-top too, boy. You gonna get it buttoned up, painted.
Yep. Yep.
I smell got that relay on it too. Yeah, I know about that.
Oh yeah.
Tell you what I say. He be born right. What he doing at home? Yo, man, I take a little call.
Oh, well, it came up.
It came out of the ground.
Obviously.
It slide.
I'm tired too big.
But y'all know how my suspension.
Alright, y'all. Checking in. Just got to the track. Headhunter's Dragway. I had went by Jesse to check on the car, and I had to get some pictures of some power steering line, cause someone had to get some relocation line. My partner told me I had to get some relocation line, cause the way that new kit is, say the power steering line probably gonna burn up, as I said in the vlog. And this my first time looking at it, and I sent the pictures over so I can get those lines done and all that. And yeah, man, them things right there on that pipe. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna need to relocate the power steering line, cause they probably gonna have a hole in them before they come, and then I'm have a mess. I wish I could drain the power steering pump or something, but then, you know, turning it, it'll burn it up. I don't know, man. I'm gonna figure something out. But yeah, I went over there and took some pictures of that and all that. And just when they were just now about to put on the lift, so I know he'll have it back to me next week for sure. Cause I know this a little light job for Jesse. So I'm down here at the track, man. I'm gonna get some footage down here to make a complete vlog. I ain't want to just cut it all like this, man. That ain't nothing. So y'all can see some night rides and all that, man. They got a big grud ray going down tonight, a $10,000 pot. Track Hawk and a Hellcat. Both on fast. We ain't talking about no just off the lot, buy off the car lot and then, hey, take off. Nah, these bad boy fast. So We got a $10,000 pot on that. I gotta come see this. So we're gonna get I'm gonna at least get in the vlog, cause the footage from here on out probably gonna have music over, cause man, they be having a DJ down here. I ain't getting no copyright. We ain't doing that. So yep, let's get out, get to walking and see what we got. Alright, y'all, we checking in. Back at the house, man. It got rained out. Man, it was lit too, man. Shut Up and Rave was deep. It was deep. So overall, good day, man. Good day. You know, went and helped Cuzzo. He got a nice video. Well, it already dropped. Actually, at the time I'm about to edit this, I see it already dropped. But went and helped Cuzzo shoot his little video day. When he checked on the Camaro. Like I said, man, we ought to get that back next week. Boy, shout out to Jesse, man. Lawless Street Card. Making it happen, man. Getting on it. I got to get those power steering lines in, like I said, to relocate the lines and stuff, cause pretty sure they're gonna burn up, man. I got to get those in. What else? About to get shaking on Dolo motor now since the car meet got canceled. I'm about to get stuff shaking on Dolo. Not on Dolo, but on his motor. I already got stuff shaking on Dolo, but about the engine. So next week coming up, y'all gonna see me take the engine out. I'm pulling the engine out, transmission staying in. I got a new converter coming for the transmission, man. I'm gonna have to put y'all on game on my converter guy. Cause if you ain't been following since I changed the converter in that Camaro, then you don't know how serious it is. Man, my guy is the truth. The number and the information in the description of every video. But I'm about to put a billet converter in Dolo. Like I said, Dolo coming back all the way different. I'm telling you, I'm about to put a billet torque converter, custom spec for my engine and everything. So we about to get that done. That's already on the way. And yeah, made some moves. Like I said, hit the track, man. Shout out to Shut Up and Race, Headhunters Dragway, Edenton, Georgia. If you have never been, that's a track you need to go to, man. It's atmosphere like none other. The race didn't get off, man. The $10,000 pot I was telling y'all about did not get off. It rained it out. I hate that, man. Everybody want to see that. Everybody want to see that. But y'all saw a little launch clip of the track hawk in the video, and y'all saw a launch clip of the Hellcat, which is the two cars that we're gonna be racing. So, man, hopefully y'all next time y'all go on the main channel, y'all see full passes and stuff. But it's too bad car, man. I want to see that. I want to see that. But it's all good. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned in. Tomorrow, gonna come back, man. I'm supposed to link up with my peeps, Terry, man, Lady Tank. We're gonna have some stuff coming. Possibly this week. This week we'll have some stuff coming on not just this channel, multiple channels. On all of my channels, we got some stuff we're collaborating on. So y'all get to see Lady Tank again. And it's a few more people I'm about to collab with, man. We about to get some stuff shaking, man. And if you're a YouTuber, check this out. If you're a YouTuber or social media creator, Instagram, whatever, you want to collab, just hit me up in the comments, man. Or hit me up in the comments or shoot me an email, man. I'm down to collab with everybody. Cause I like seeing everybody elevate. I like seeing everybody elevate. I ain't on that charging stuff either. Some people charge. Now, the way I roll when it's confidence, hey, I got to get my bread. But individuals, man, I just like seeing people up. So if I can help you, as long as you solid, I'm not finna bring nobody on my channel or get on nobody's channel and they ain't solid though, man. Like I put y'all on good products, I'm gonna put y'all on good people too. So same thing. But yeah, that's it. That's it, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog, man. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow.